I am Ijom, and that is
Okay, Chit.
you're welcome to my channel, guys. It's been long. I vlogged we were having a conversation here just now, and I was telling my son, sometimes these children forget that we went to school. He asked me something, I answered, and the next question is it because you heard me saying it, screaming it? And I'm like, because I did not go to school now. That's why you would think I would not know what you had. Like these children.
Wait.
What?
The main reason is because the question was, what is half of 2 plus 2? If you said it fast, it would be like everybody will now say 2. But then half of 2 plus 2. Half of 2 is what? 1 plus 2. So the answer was 3.
So in your mind, you're the only one that will know it, Abby. I beg. So guys, we want to cook. So we want to quickly just go to
The market.
the street, not really market, the streets where we buy the vegetables we need for the fried rice we want to make. So I said to just start this vlog here. You're welcome to this vlog, okay? So let's go.
Bye bye.
Doing what I don't know. Shylock, you don't have okay, peas, green beans. How much is the green pepper?
500.
Sorry, 500. Guys, we are back from the road shop. I don't know if you heard how much she said that green bell pepper was. The green bell pepper, 500 naira. Like, for one. Hey, I was shocked. Now, the yellow one, this one she gave me for 650. 650. This is 400 naira. Like, guys, then I got carrots also.
Carrot.
This is 400 naira too.
And she got
I'm like,
sweet corn.
yeah, that's 550. I'm like, I don't know how people are coping right now in this economy. Please, can you let me know in the comment section? Let me know in the comment section how you have been coping, how you've been surviving in this Nigeria. And it's almost Christmas. How are people going to do their Christmas with the way things are right now? Like, guys, I said, let me run small. So this is the chicken. I spiced it, and it's been marinating for close to 3 hours now. So now that I'm back from shopping, I'll start cooking it. So I put rosemary, thyme, curry, ginger, garlic, onion, salt, not cubes. Basically, that's what I use to season the chicken. So I'll just start cooking it now while I get the vegetables ready.
Yay. French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords are leaping, 9 ladies ending, 8 maids are milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 geese are laying, 5.
See who's helping me in the kitchen, guys. Okay, Shima Bobo.
Birds, 3 French hens, 2